Good morning. Okay, this is a do-it-myself project. It's leaking bathtub. I'm gonna change the bulb on this one. I just changed this. It's still leaking, so I'm gonna change this. I ordered this from Moen. Actually, I got my warranty lifetime because I bought the house brand new. So this do-it-yourself project. If you are mechanically inclined, handy, I think you can do this rather than paying like the plumber for quite a bit. So this is the product that they sent to me, and it looks like this. Nice bulb. That one's gonna go right here. This one already changed and came out like this. This is the one that I pulled out. The tools that you're gonna get, that you're gonna need, is this. You get this, like a monkey wrench. I put tape on it so that it won't scratch. I got this, like a little, angled plier. Got this screwdriver. Actually, I don't need this. I just need this one. This. Okay. Phillips screw. And this one you can get it from Home Depot. It calls like a, what do they call this one? I think it's Moen 1248. There you go. No, it's not. There's the one. There's the Moen 179120 for this. The bulb itself is Moen 1248B. Okay. What I'm gonna do is take this one up and use this to unscrew the securing nut, and then put this, and then after that, put the securing nut, and then that's about it. Okay. Let me go take this one up. I already loosen it with this. So lefty tighty, righty loosey. So as you can see, I can do it hand-free now. I mean hand-free with my hands. There's a lot of things on it, and then you just come out like this. Okay, once you got that, of course you're gonna secure the water main, which I did, and then I'm gonna bend it. Should bend. Still have pressure on it, but I secure the water main outside, so shouldn't be doing this, but I don't know why. Let me post the video and check out the water main, make sure it's secured.